Oh, wow.
These are in. Now I want you, I got a bolt for each side.
Yeah.
And once you put it in there, I'll run the nut and
Okay, so Dad's got that back framed up. I imagine there's metal reinforcing it. Yes?
behind. Yeah, I want you to
Okay.
put these in, then we can take pictures.
Watch your fingers.
Okay, gotta go the other way, I guess. Just a minute, boys. There's a wider one side than the other. They gotta look. Where's better the other way? Nope, we had it the right way.
So we just got the door finished. Dad's just done a quick coat of paint here. He's going to finish painting it tomorrow. So we just finished fitting the bottom door, putting in the D-rings, and Dad's going to paint it tomorrow. And so yeah, that's pretty much for everything. And we got the distributor to put in and the tack, and I think this machine is done. Okay, there we go. Lights are on, tack's installed.
Tack is installed, wired in.
The cap is on the steering wheel. Dad fixed the brake pedal.
This new brake pedal. And just working on this now. We're on number 1 cylinder here now. I got all the plugs out.
Okay.
And I'll put the cap on tomorrow and the plugs in and finish off the distributor.
Okay. So that's the update there. And if I didn't do this yesterday, Dad got all the seats back in and floors in. So when we put in the old seats, they're too big. So, but the customer doesn't is not worried about it. He's replacing the seats anyways. But we're gonna bolt these back into place. So it's just laying on the side here right now. So we're likely gonna roll out here in the next couple of days, hopefully, and then we can start on the yellow again. Yeah, it's January 1st, 2024. Thank you very much to everybody who's been staying tuned so far, and we're hopefully getting 2 machines out of here in the next couple of weeks.
I'm going to hook up the distributor and the power wire and the tack wire.
Mm-hmm.
Put the tanks in, I'll get this running.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put these seats back in for now and just put a couple bolts in.
Yep.
And then I'm going to put a bracket from here to here, a stiffener so the dash doesn't get bent.
Yep.
And a cable from here to here so the door doesn't come wide open.
And that's on the both sides, right?
On both sides.
Yeah.
And
So
then that should be it. Other
Yeah.
than an oil change.
Yep. Inside interior lights,
Cab lights.
no cab lights.
How about now?
All of them are on. The bottom ones, the new ones you installed, are not on. Now they are.
Okay. That's all the lights. The cab lights all work. The tail lights work. The new lights, the headlights.
Good. And there we go. Okay, so Dad installed these here today, put these brackets in so the dash doesn't get bent, and he put the cables in as well so the door can only go so far so it doesn't get away from the customer. And then he did the same on the other side there too. How hard are you working? Really hard? Yeah. Who's a vocal dog from Puckatawagan? Yeah.
Don't mention that, bro.
Don't mention it, eh?
Dad's baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're ready to have both these bombardiers out of the shop, eh? Get on with the next job?
Yeah.
Yeah.